Hi, so my name's Chris and I'm a music technology and media studies teacher at Portsmouth College. I'm also the digital lead for Portsmouth College, so I oversee all of our staff training for iPads as well as run a group of student Apple ambassadors who help us shape the iPad project at Portsmouth College. So the best thing about my job is working with the amazing educators and students that I have the pleasure of working with day in and day out. They never cease to amaze me every single day, and I'm always inspired by what they do and some of the creative ideas that they come up with as well. So it's incredibly important to showcase and share all of this amazing content that we create on our iPads, on our phones, on our Chromebooks, whatever it is. And Trilby TV allows us to do that so simply. Now, one of the big eureka moments for us was that we had all these iPads and all these students were creating these amazing pieces of work, but they were staying on the iPads and they were getting submitted to teachers and teachers were marking them and going, wow, that's great. But no one else was really seeing this. Now, Trilby TV opened up the door to us and it allowed us to showcase that work on all of the screens throughout the college, and then we could share that creativity. We created this culture of sharing and this embracement of technology. It really inspired all of our learners, it inspired our teachers, and things have just gone from strength to strength because of that experience. Simple, quick, and innovative. Okay, so our plans for expanding Trilby TV, the obvious one, more screens on it. Being able to section out screens and put different messages across different screens, different content across each screen as well. I'm really hoping as well in the next academic year to develop some more resources through my Apple ambassadors that they'll be able to create content that'll be able to be shared on our screens. We already use the Trilby screens outside of just day-to-day college life in open events, open evenings, taster days, when we have corporate events on. We use the screens to showcase all of our work. It's an incredibly powerful platform and every day we learn from it. So my one idea that I'm leaving in the hat: get students involved. This isn't about staff. It isn't about staff taking control of it or your IT team taking control of it. This is a student platform. Get the students involved, get them uploading their own content. This is massively empowering, and it's bringing that sense of responsibility and also that pride in their work. They're showcasing their work, they're showing all their friends, they're showcasing it across the school. This in turn will then bring this culture of sharing, culture, creativity, and it will showcase all of that passion that students put into their work day in, day out. Amazing. It's a no-brainer when you think about it. Get that trial in, get some training, really simple, really easy to do. It'll change the way that you think about digital showcasing and sharing all that amazing student work that's created all the time.